Hello friends, in 11th standard, chapter number 1, theoretical portion is completed. Now we will start here means numerical problem. In exercise, question number 1.1, here in exercise question number 1.1, calculate the molecular mass. Calculate the molecular mass of the following. Here, calculate molecular mass of the following. Here, question number 1, H2O is given. Here, so whenever you are calculating molecular mass, then in that condition, what we have to do? So whatever number will be given. See here, number of hydrogen is 2, so 2H, and number of oxygen is 1. Now, mass of hydrogen, from periodic table, so here mass of hydrogen is 1 and mass of oxygen is 16. Here 2 plus 16, 18 gram per mole. So this is unit. This is unit of molecular mass. This is unit of molecular mass. Now second question, here CO2. So first step, whatever number of atoms are given, first of all specify this number. Here 1C2O. So 1, 12 and mass of oxygen is 16. Here means what will happen? Here 12 and then after 32, 44 gram per mole will be there. Whenever you are solving numerical problem, then in that condition, you have to specify unit. The unit of molecular mass is gram per mole. Similarly, this is third question. CH4, here means 1C4H. Carbon, weight of carbon is 12. Here 12 plus 4, 16 gram per mole will be given. So this is complete information of molecular mass. See, in our theoretical portion, the mass is related with atom. If you are interested to find out mass of atom, then atomic mass will be given, then molecule, and then after elemental mass will be given. So here, see, this is question 1. Here we can say that this may be changed. But here method will remain same. So within a first step, you have to write down this one. Whatever number is given, you have to specify here. And then after, see, if mass is not given in your numerical problem, then consider mass with the help of periodic table. वो मैंने आपको बताया हुआ. So this is complete information of question number 1.2. Now next one, question number 1.2. Here question number 1.1 is completed. Now we will discuss here question number 1.2. In case of 1.2, calculate mass percentage. Here calculate mass percentage. See, now calculate the mass percent of different elements. Mass percent of different element present in sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate formula will be Na2SO4. This is question. Now we have to determine mass percent of different element present in sodium sulfate. Again, in this type of question, first step will be, first of all, find out molecular mass of sodium sulfate. So see, molecular mass 2Na sulfur 4 oxygen तो weight of sodium is 23, then after sulfur is 32, and then 16, mass of oxygen is 16. Here 46, then 32 and 64 will be there. Clear? Here 46 plus 32, 64 will be there. So 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, so 12, 1, so 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10, and this one is 4, so 142 will be there. Clear? Here again I am repeating, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, ये आपने 12 लिखा, 2, then after 1, so 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, here mass will be 142, and you have to specify unit. The unit is gram per mole. Here unit is gram per mole. Now here, in case of question, you have to find out mass percentage of different element. So how many elements are there? So here we can say that sodium. Here first of all sodium is there, then after sulfur, then after oxygen. So now suppose if you are interested to find out mass percentage, so here first step, mass percentage of sodium is equal to the weight of sodium upon total weight into 100. The weight of sodium is 46, this one is 142, 100. Similarly, see, this is A, mass percent of sodium. Then after second one, here mass percent of sulfur, the weight of sulfur, total weight into 100. The weight of sulfur is 32. Here weight of sulfur is 32. Then after 142 and 100 will be there. Now third one, here mass percent of oxygen, the weight of oxygen, total weight into 100. The weight of oxygen is 64, and then after 142, 100. So now in your course, or in, we can say that 11th standard, calculator is allowed. So without doing any mistake, you can solve it. Here 46 into 100, then after C, 4600 divide by 142. Here 4600 divide by 142, to 32.3943 will come. Whenever you are using calculator, then please specify digit after decimal. Up to 4 digit you have to write down. Same condition will come here. So 32 divide by 142, here 22.5352 will be there. Similarly, here 64 divide by 142, here 45.070, and then after 4 will come. So this is answer. See, in case of sodium sulfate, only 3 elements are there. In case of sodium sulfate, only 3 elements are there. So here you have to remember one thing. After coming this answer, if you are adding, and see this is related with percentage. So whenever we are adding percentage of sodium, percentage of sulfur and percentage of oxygen, then answer will be 100. If 100 answer will come, it means you are perfect, otherwise some mistake is there. So this is second question. Now here formula is sodium sulfate. Now in next future, here this type of formula may be changed. This is one type of question. First question is related with molecular mass, second question is related with percentage. Here formula may be changed, but method will remain same. Now here we will start question number 1.3. In case of question number 1.3, see, अभी देखो पहला क्वेश्चन क्या था, रिलेटेड विथ मॉलिक्यूलर मास. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड with respect to percentage. Now we will discuss here question number 1.3. So here question is determine the empirical formula of an oxide of iron which has 69.9% iron, and 30.1% dioxygen by mass. And here molar mass of iron is 55.85 and oxygen is 16.0. So this will be given. So this is third type of question. Here we have to find out empirical formula. So especially in this type of question, first of all, prepare this type of table. Here we are writing element. And then after percentage means weight in gram. Then after molecular mass here, and then mole, weight upon molecular weight, and then after find out ratio. So here see, this is tabular form. So whenever you are calculating empirical formula, then percentage is required. Here element will be Fe, and then second one is again we consider oxygen. In case of Fe, what is percentage? 69.9 and oxygen 30.1. So molecular mass 55.85 and oxygen 16.0. Now you know mole. The mole is equal to weight upon molecular weight. So here 69.9 upon 55.85. Similarly 30.1, 16.0. Now here calculator is required, and in that condition what we have to do, the 69.9 divided by 55.85. Here answer will be 1.2515. See, we are using here means calculator. We can say that calculator. Then in that condition, what we have to do, you have to specify 4 digit after decimal. Now here second one is 30.1 divided by 16. Here 1.88. Then after 1 2 will come. So this is mole. Here we have calculated mole. Now after calculation this mole, find out which number is smallest one out of these two. Here means 2 element, so 2 number, 3 आएगा तो 3 number. So here smallest number one is this one. So whatever number will be smallest one from calculation of this mole, divide with that number. Here whatever calculated mole is there. So here 1.2515, 1.2515, 1, and then after 1.8812, 1.2515. So here 1.2515. The answer will be 1.50. Clear? Now, if here fractional value will come, if here in this type of question fractional value will come, then round off this number. So how we are doing this round of formula or round of method? To multiply with 2. Here 1 into 2, 2 will come, and here 1.5 into 2, so 3 will be there. Clear? So now after calculation, so many times what will happen? After calculation or after determination of this ratio, here complete number will come. Then in that condition आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Clear हुआ? अब देखो यहाँ पे मेरा क्या आएगा? Here empirical formula. तो चलो this is Fe, this one is Fe and this one is O. In case of Fe, 2 is there. And in case of iron, here we can say that 3 is there. Clear? So this is empirical formula of iron. This one is empirical formula of iron. So whenever this type of question will come, then element will be specified, percentage will be given, molecular mass will be also given. Here you have to find out, see, whatever percentage is given, it is normally known as weight of that sample in gram. So here mole means m, so weight upon molecular weight. So first of all identify, here we can say that mole, and after calculation this mole, find out which number is smallest one. So divide with that number, whatever number will come, and if fractional value will be there, so try to complete it. So here we are doing round off. In case of round off, here 3 will come. So this is normally known as empirical formula. Suppose अब extra बता दूँ, तो here suppose if you are interested to find out empirical mass, here empirical mass, so what we will do, so here in case of empirical mass 2Fe and 3O, here 2, here mass of Fe is 55.85 and mass of oxygen is 16.0. Now here 2 into 55.85 is equal to 111.7, and in case of oxygen, here 48 will be there. Now 48 plus 111.7, so 159.7. So this will be again means empirical mass. See, here mass is not calculated, or here mass is not required according to given question, but you have to find out. This is extra. Whenever we will discuss question number 1.8, in case of question number 1.8, the same question is given, but here we can say that molecular mass is given. So you have to find out formula. जब आएगा तब मैं आपको बताऊंगा. So this is complete information. देखो, this is third type of question. Suppose if you are interested to find out empirical formula, then this one is simplest method. Clear? Now next one. Next we will discuss here question number 1.4. Question number 1.4 में क्या दिया हुआ है? Here calculate amount of carbon dioxide. Here what is given? Calculate amount of carbon dioxide. तो चलो इधर पे क्या करना है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.4 calculate here the amount of carbon dioxide मतलब CO2 that would be produced when here question number 1 mole of carbon is burnt, then second one 1 mole of carbon is burnt in 16 gram dioxygen. 16 gram dioxygen, and then after third one, here third one is 2 moles of carbon are burnt in 16 gram of dioxygen. See, तो देखो यहाँ पे अमाउंट निकालना है. अमाउंट का मतलब होता है वेट. in case of amount, here weight will come and see, calculate amount of CO2 that could be produced when 1 mole of carbon is burnt. So for burning process, oxygen is required. Here C plus O2, CO2 is there. So now here reaction is balanced. So 1, 1, 1. So this is now known as stoichiometric coefficient. So now mole of carbon is 1, oxygen is 1, and CO2 is 1. Now what is 1 mole of carbon? So here weight. So 1 mole of carbon is equal to 12. 1 mole of oxygen. So weight of 1 oxygen is 16. So 16 into 2, 32 will be there. Now 1 carbon is 12. 1 oxygen is 16. So 16 into 2, 32 plus 12. Here 44 ग्राम will come. मैंने molecular mass निकालना आपको बता दिया. Here 1 mole of carbon is burned. So for burning process, oxygen is required. 1 mole carbon, 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of CO2. It means whenever 1 mole of carbon is burned, then what will be amount of CO2? So here we can say that 44 gram. Now same condition, second one. 1 mole of carbon is burnt in 16 gram of dioxygen. देखो यहाँ फिर से वही मेथड, C plus O2 and here CO2. Again देखो यहाँ पे मोल क्या है? तो here mole is 1, 1 and 1 is there. Now again calculate 12. This is 32. This is 44. But here mass of oxygen will be reduced. Here mass of oxygen will be reduced. 32 के कंपेयर में क्या है? 16. Friends, remember during formation of CO2, weight of oxygen is important, or mole of oxygen is important. Mole of carbon is not that much important. So whenever mass of oxygen will be decreases, है ना? This is 32 divided by 2 करो तो 16. ये भी मास क्या हो जाएगा? आधा हो जाएगा. मतलब whenever weight of oxygen is 16, then in that condition weight of CO2 will be again 22. Clear? During combustion reaction, here weight of oxygen is important. Weight of carbon is not that much important. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या डिस्टर्ब किया उन लोगों ने? मोल ऑफ कार्बन. Again C plus O2, CO2. Here mole is 1, here 1, and then after 1. अब देखो ये तो आपका क्या है? बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन है. तो नाउ हियर इन केस ऑफ मोल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल molecular mass 12, 32, 44 will be there. At the place of 1 new molecular mass 2 mole, so 2 into 12, so 24 will be there. Clear? यहाँ पे 2 mole of carbon, but here again mass of oxygen is 16 gram. तो मैंने क्या बोला था? During reaction or during product formation of CO2, so here change in oxygen is important, carbon is not important. Here again 22 gram will come. Clear? Again 22 gram will come. आप इसी को यूनिटरी मेथड से भी कर सकते हो कि 30 जैसे यहाँ है तो 32 ग्राम ऑक्सीजन, तो 32 ग्राम के लिए 44, तो 16 ग्राम के लिए कितना? क्लियर? बट सी दिस इज वन टाइप ऑफ कंबशन. तो 10th में आप लोग ने ना कंबशन, एडिशन ये सब रीड किया हुआ है. तो ये आपका देखो अमाउंट ऑफ CO2 इन 3 डिफरेंट कंडीशन. So this is complete information of question number 1.4. Now you have to remember definition. किसका combustion, addition, then after elimination, then after substitution. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है आपका पहले का बेस क्लियर होना चाहिए. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड विथ 1.5. तो कैलकुलेट मास. हियर कैलकुलेट mass of sodium acetate. ये फॉर्मूला है. कैलकुलेट मास ऑफ सोडियम एसीटेट require to make 500 ml of 0.5 375 molar aqueous solution and molar mass of sodium acetate is 82.0245 gram per mole is given. Clear? This is molar mass. Now here calculate mass. We have to determine mass and volume is 500 ml and molarity is also given and volume is given in ml. So our formula of molarity in case of ml, weight, molecular weight, volume in ml, this is 1000. So this one is formula whenever volume is given in ml. This will be formula whenever volume is given in ml. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या क्या दिया है? Here how many identities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, out of these 4, any 3 will be given. So here molarity is given. So molarity is 0.375. Then after volume, so volume is 500 ml. Now molecular mass. The molecular mass is again 82.0245. Here how many identities are given? See, molarity, molecular weight, volume is given. Now we will find out here means weight. So this will be calculated. Then here molarity is 0.375, weight, then after 1000, here molecular weight 82.0245 and here 500. So now weight will be 0.375, 82.0245, 500 and then after 1000 will be there. Clear? अब क्या करना है? 500 से ये आपका कट हो जाएगा. Then use calculator. Here 0.375 into 82.0245. Here 30.7591 and then after 2. Whenever you are calculating, then please specify this number क्योंकि कई बार wrong होता है ना, तो फिर से आपको चेक करने में हेल्प करेगा. And divide by 2. 3 here weight is equal to 15.3795 gram will be there. So this is answer. Clear? So see, in case of molarity, if volume is given in liter, then we have to not to specify here 1000. But if volume is given in ml, so this will be your formula. तो मोलारिटी ये ना आपका टॉपिक नंबर 1.10 है. अब देखो यहाँ पे कैसा होगा, ये सोडियम एसीटेट आया, तभी फ्यूचर में कुछ और भी सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल में भी कम, बट मेथड विल रिमेन सेम. कई बार आपको क्या है, वेट दिया रहेगा, मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, वॉल्यूम, मोलारिटी निकालना रहेगा. इन दिस वे वी कैन कैलकुलेट, in this way we can calculate here means molarity. Now next question is 1.6. Now next question is 1.6. So what is happening in case of 1.6? The question is again, देखो जितने भी क्वेश्चन है सब अलग अलग टाइप के. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.6, calculate the concentration of nitric acid in moles per liter. Here moles per liter in a sample which has density 1.41 gram per ml and the mass mass percent of nitric acid मतलब HNO3 is 69%. Here we have to calculate concentration of nitric acid. मोल पर लीटर का मतलब होता है मोलारिटी. Density is given, and then after mass percent, if percentage will be not specified, तो आपको weight by weight लेना है. In this type of condition, you have to utilize this shortcut formula. Molarity is equal to percentage weight by weight into density into 10 upon molecular weight. Clear? Molarity is equal to, here we can say percentage weight by weight into density into 10 upon molecular weight. चलो percentage कितना दिया है? Here percentage weight by weight is 69. Then after density is 1.41. Clear? And then after C, ये weight by weight, molecular weight है ना. अब now we have to calculate molecular weight. तो molecular weight of HNO3 is equal to H plus N 3O 114. अब यहाँ पे आपका 15 48 है ना. Here 15 and then after 48, तो ये आपका क्या आ जाएगा 63 ग्राम पर मोल. Now put this value here. Percentage is 69, density is 1.41, 10, and then after 63 will be there. Other way formula, here 10 number will be always fixed. Here 10 number will be always fixed. So whenever percentage is given, density is given, then this is shortcut formula with the help of which we can find out here molarity. So 69 into 1.41 into 10, so here 972.9 and then after 63. अब इसको आप सॉल्व करो तो डिवाइड बाई 63 is 15.44. So this will be molarity. This will be molarity of HNO3. So what is nitric acid? Nitric acid is normally known as HNO3. Here we can say that nitric acid is normally known as HNO3. इसके पहले वाला molarity का formula अलग था. In case of molarity, different type of, we can say that formula will be there. Clear?